So, good evening everyone. My name is Lani Inano. My topic for tonight is about the Philippine Century Hands, an essay written by Dr. Jose Rizal. So, it is published between September 30, 1889 to February 1, 1890. So, originally written as Pilipinas dentro de señas años. So, a social political essay written in 4 parts in the magazine called La Solidaridad by Jose Rizal. So, ito pong essay ni Rizal is translate by Charles Derbyshire. So, pinablish din po siya in Madrid, Spain. So, The Philippine Century Hands is an essay written by Philippine national hero Jose Rizal. The essay forecasts the future of the Philippines within 100 years. So Rizal reminded Spain of the consequences of the French Revolution for the Philippines. It presents a radical prophecy of how the Philippines would evolve through the century. Rizal proposed 3 possible outcomes for the country. Quotes from the essay. Following our usually custom of facing squarely the most difficult and delicate question relating to the Philippines, without weighing the consequences that our frankness may bring up as we shall in the present article treat of their future. In order to read the destiny of a Filipino, it is necessary to open the book of its past, and this, for the Philippines, may be reduced in general terms to what follows. Rizal discusses facing difficult questions about the Philippines without considering the consequences of frankness. So, to understand a Philippine or the people's destiny, one must look at their past for the Philippines. This is summarized in general terms. Here are the 3 causes of the misery suffering by the Filipino people. First, Spain's implementation of her military policy. Because of such law, the Philippine population decreased dramatically. Poverty became more rampant than ever, and farmland were left to wither. The family as a unit of society was neglected, and overall every aspect of life of Filipino was repressed. So Spain military led to a dramatic decrease in population, increased poverty, neglect of families, and repression of Filipino life. Next is deterioration and disappearance of Filipino indigenous culture. When Spain came with the swarm and the cross, it began a gradual destruction of the native Filipino culture. Because of this, the Filipinos started losing confidence in their past and their heritage, become doubtful of their present lifestyles, and eventually lose hope in the future and the preservation of their race. So Spain's influence led to the loss of native culture, confidence and hope among Filipino people. Because of that, every Filipino or the the indigenous culture of the Philippines is lost and native culture. So next, possibility and subsidies to the Spain colonizer. One of the most powerful forces that influenced a culture of silence among the natives were the Spain friars. Because of the use of force, the Filipino learned to submit themselves to the will of the foreigners. So Spain colonizer enforced silent among natives friars, leading Filipino to submit to foreign will. Next is the four parts of essay of Dr. Rizal. So first, the part 1. In order to read the destiny of the Filipino, it is necessary to open the book of its past. So, attributed to Jose Rizal, emphasize the importance of understanding a nation's history to brief its potential future. So, Rizal didn't really predict, instead, a thought analysis of the past as well as the present, and from this, conclude what will happen in the future. This means analyzing the past and present condition of the Philippines to conclude what might happen in the future. Rizal didn't make prediction but drew conclusion based on history and current analysis. In this part 1, Rizal predict na posibleng mangyari sa sakop ng mga colonized or Spaniards sa Pilipinas. So, sasabi ko po kanina, the three causes of measuring of suffering by the Filipino. So, yan nga po yung the implementation of Spain military policy. So, these are just the military action and policies enforced by Spain had a significant impact on the lives of the Filipinos, potentially leading to suffering or a hardship. Next, part 2. For those who have a strong spirit over the liberty of the country, independence was assured. But for those who are discouraged and discouraged by the sad experiences, shall be present of the colony forever. So for this po, we have the question, what will become the Philippines within a century? Will they continue to be a Spanish colony? So Rizal predict the life of the Palo within the 100 years. So we have the 3. For the liberal Spaniards, for the friars and their followers, and for what Filipino ethics. So for the part 2, so Rizal, naisip niya na, or napredict ni Rizal kapag nagpatuloy pa ang pagsakop ng mga Spaniard or Spain sa ating bansa is pwedeng mag-cause niyang tatlo na mga also Filipino people have remained faithful for 2 centuries. So because of this, Rizal exposed several issues to concern the country. So we have the 2, the abuse of human rights, the lack of freedom of the press. So because of that, Rizal predict the life of the following in 100 years about of that causing the experiences of the Filipino in the Spanish. Next is for end of part 2. If this state of the brain continue, how will the Philippines be with a century? So Philippines will awake and revolution will occur. This part of essay is reminder to Spaniards that once element will occur to the Filipino people, they will revolt in those is not only serve as reminder but the fighting Spaniard with the possibility. Since overall, Rizal wanted liberty but not a totally separation. We put freedom in our land through peaceful negotiation with the Spaniard government. So, in this part, Rizal say that. So, members of Spain authority, we have 2 Filipino representative in the Spain Cortes and human rights. So, these 2 is the maintenance of the Spain authority to Philippines. So next, part 3. Will Philippines remain a colony or become another nation? So, You can see, dieting of Sancho Panza. So say, he took his seat of substation as well upon the table, covered with fruit and many varieties of food differently prepared. But between the ware's mouth and each dish, the physician Pedro Recio imposed his award, saying, "Take it away." The dish removed, Sancho was as hungry as ever. So, minimin po dyan ni Sancho Panza na kapag inaiyan siya ng pagkain, hindi niya pinababayaan nila kasi sa Spaniard or Spanish is kapag kataas-taasan ka is dapat yung mga pagkain na hindi nababagay sa kanilang mga wish or mga matataas na ranggo is di sila kakain. Kaya nilang tiisin na magutom sila. Next is Spain risk. So, what risk does the government see in them? As you can see in the picture, we have the three. They will prove unruly, become political trimmer, or act properly. So, in the fourth one, Spain risk. So, parang kailangan nilang dapat ang kada tao sa Spain is nag-become political framers or patatagpo sila na di sila nagsasabi ng mga totoo about sa mga act or act properly about sa kanilang country. So, next, the part 4. In this final part of Rizal essay, so it is examine the potential route of the United States in the future. So, dito po is nagsama na yung USA in the Philippines. So, nagkaisip po sila. So, nagkaintindihan na in the future soon. So, in the next one, Rizal impression the essay become true. So, yun na lahat ng essay ni Rizal by parts. In 1890, so, nag-decide ng American worthless with Spain to win the Philippines and when took over the country, there was the right of liberty and democracy. In USA and Spain have liberty and democracy each other. So in the next, Rizal emphasized the importance of Spain recognizing and respecting Filipino aspiration for self-improvement and self-respect. So, natutunan siya na maging aspiration on self-improvement of the Filipino and self-resilience by many Filipino people.